What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Want to bring some information to you that I found that I think is pretty cool. You know, it's about crypto spending. So crypto spending is really the reason that I got into crypto, which is why, I tend to make more videos discussing that. And I found some really cool information, and I think it's something that you need to know and need to pay attention to. Now, before we go ahead and get into this, if you haven't already, or if you are new to the ClearCryptos channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. You'll get notified anytime we have content go live, and we have a lot of it. There's lots of information to soak in, and you may just learn something that you didn't know. So let's go ahead and get into it here. So SHIB and Cardano users can now enjoy 8% cash back on Binance Card purchases. So why is this a big deal, right? Like, why do I care to, look at another card? I got a card already that I can use. Well, take a look at your card now. Take a look at what you get as far as rewards. You'll find that most of them do not have the same or do not offer the same kind of rewards that this card does. So 8% cash back is a very large number, guys. And, if you, use your card for purchases, why would you not obviously take advantage of, that as an option? Now, obviously, I'm not telling you to go out and get one of these cards, but it's definitely something that you need to know about. So holders of SHIBA INU and Cardano and other cryptocurrencies can now enjoy 8% cash back on purchases made with their crypto. And it is interesting to note that there are 90 million MasterCard merchants worldwide. So it's hard to find a place, obviously, that's not going to accept MasterCard. Now, Binance also does offer a Visa card too, which I believe they have, or I believe they offer the same cashback rate on that too. So between the two of them, I believe there's 60 million Visa merchants. You're talking about 150 million possibilities. Okay, so that's obviously a lot. Now, of the supported cryptocurrencies, obviously, SHIBA INU and Cardano are probably the ones that you're going to hear the most about because they're some of the most, heavily used, heavily traded, and, they're the most speculative. So you have a lot of people acquiring them and, wallet growth, stuff like that. So there's 14 cryptocurrencies, including BUSD, USDT, USDC, BTC, so Bitcoin, Binance Buck, Ethereum, ADA, which is Cardano, DOT, Sol, so Solana, Mana, SXP, XRP, SHIB, and AVAX are currently supported by Binance Card. So they are launching pilot programs in other countries to help expand this further because obviously wider spread crypto adoption is a good thing, okay? And you're going to see over time more of these cryptos be able to be spent. And it just adds an extra utility there for crypto. And now, obviously, if there are these rewards that are available to people and they start taking advantage of them, there's wider adoption for crypto, right? And as we know, that's a good thing. So I appreciate you guys taking time to watch this. We're going to see more information coming as time goes on. This is a big part of crypto. You hear of countries trying to develop their own cryptocurrencies and kind of get into this space, and the adoption is coming. It's just gonna be obviously a matter of time. So again, I do appreciate you stopping out, checking out the video. Again, if you haven't already, or if you are new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right there, hit the little bell. You'll get notified anytime we have content that goes live. We have, live streams, we have videos, we have shorts, all sorts of stuff, tons of content available for you every single day. And, if you did take something positive away from this video, found out some good information, feel free to drop a like as well. That lets us know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out. And again, tons more to come. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you